जी।
कैसे ऑफर मिला आपको ये?
दैट्स अ फिल्मी स्टोरी। मेरी एक फ्रेंड विशेष फिल्म्स में ऑडिशन देने के लिए गई थी एंड सेम इवनिंग आई हैपन टू बी ईटिंग डिनर विद हर इन अ रेस्टोरेंट और वहाँ पर किसी उनके डायरेक्टर विशेष फिल्म्स के डायरेक्टर ने मुझे उनके साथ देखा एंड आई थिंक ही लाइक्ड मी सो ही गॉट समवन टू कॉल दैट गर्ल एंड गेट माई नंबर एंड देन दे कॉल्ड मी।
और कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस विशेष फिल्म्स के साथ? दे ऑलवेज नोन टू गिव द हीरोइन देयर इक्वल ड्यू।
Exactly. So that's why I was really happy to know that I'm getting to work with the Bhatts, and it, of course, my role is very good in the film, and I'm not just there as a decoration. एक बहुत ही सब्सटैंशियल रोल है, एक ऐसी लड़की का रोल है जो 21st सेंचुरी की लड़की है. शी इज़ मॉडर्न इन हर आउटलुक, बट उसके कहीं उसके अभी भी ट्रेडिशनल वैल्यूज़ उसके साथ हैं. She's somebody who's never going to be a part of a criminal act. She's a responsible citizen of the country, and somebody who will never violate the law of the country. And she's somebody who's not more than anything not weak. As we all know that when we love somebody very closely, then we tend to overlook a lot of faults in them, and we become very weak. And it's very difficult for us to kind of be harsh towards them. But this is a girl who will not hesitate even for a second if she thinks that someone is doing something wrong, even if it's someone who she really loves. She won't hesitate at all to punish that person if it's for his larger interest, if she knows that this is something which will which is for the betterment of his life. So that it's a great character that I got to play for a debut film.
एज अ पर्सन, आप और आपके कैरेक्टर के बीच कितने सिमिलैरिटीज और डिससिमिलैरिटीज हैं?
Well, काफ़ी हद तक similarities हैं. I could relate a lot to this character. उसको shopping करना बहुत पसंद है, जो मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है. She likes diamonds and so do I. She's of course even I've been brought up with a lot of values. मेरे parents ने मुझे हमेशा ही they brought me up with a lot of ethics and values, and it's the same with this character. Even I think I am to a very large extent a responsible citizen of the country, and I would never violate any laws of the country. So in a lot of ways Zoya is very similar to me, and I'm very similar to Zoya.
और क्या आपकी फैमिली में कोई ऑपोजिशन था टू द किसिंग सीन्स और समथिंग सो बोल्ड?
Yes, in fact, me myself, I wasn't very comfortable initially, but then when I heard the script and my main concern was to know what the script is and what role I'm playing. And my role is that of a very simple girl, and my look is very simple in the film. And it's a bold role, but when I say bold, I don't mean that I'm shedding my clothes off or I'm making some shocking statements. So after hearing the script and about my role, I was convinced that this is not something which will affect my career or my image at all. And if you go and watch the film, you know exactly what I'm talking about there, because there's so much being talked about the kissing scene and the intimate scenes. So I'd rather people go and watch and decide for themselves what exactly it is.